everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is day 1 of Learn Yoga with Miss Tanya. So as I promised, for the rest of the month I'm going to share one yoga posture each day, the detailed description and also the demonstration. So I'll start with the basic postures, advancing slowly, and then by the end of this month hopefully we can all attempt few advanced postures. So I hope you're ready to learn some basic yoga with me. So today's posture is Sukhasana. This is the exact posture in which I am sitting right now. So in Sanskrit, Sukh means happy or joy or ease. So the literal translation would be the easy pose. But it's only the name that's easy. This posture is not easy at all. So whenever we think of yoga or meditation, probably this is the first image that comes to our mind. So let's start with this posture. So to get into this, first sit with your legs straight in front of you. Now bend the knees one at a time and cross your legs at the shins. Now this cross of your shins should be straight in front of the pelvis. So to get a strong foundation where you can sit for a longer time, you need to sit right on top of your sit bones. To do that, remove this extra flesh, make some adjustments and see where you feel most comfortable. Once you have this strong foundation, we move upwards. Starting with the core, suck the stomach in towards the navel. Now your shoulders, take them back and down, which means your chest is open. Your palms can be on your knees facing downwards or facing upwards, whatever is comfortable for you. Now I'll show you this posture from the side to give you a much better understanding. So when you're sitting in this posture, make sure your head is on top of your neck is on top of your shoulders on top of your trunk, and trunk is on top of the pelvis. So your spine is in one straight line. A lot of people sit very uncomfortably leaning back or leaning forward. So try to avoid it and try to sit tall. So a lot of you find this position very difficult because you're used to sitting in chairs. Now to make this position very accessible for you, you need to sit on some height. So you can use cushions or blocks, or you can roll your yoga mat and sit on top of it, or even on top of a blanket. So as soon as you get this height, you'll see it becomes much more easier to sit on the floor. Now, if you're sitting like this, if your knees are here just because of tight hips, what you can do is take these cushions and give yourself some support. Then use this block or anything that can give you a height and place them under your thighs. So once you sit like this, it becomes much more comfortable rather than sitting like this without any support. So always use support, use props and make these postures accessible. Now slowly as you keep practicing, you'll start feeling comfortable to remove one prop at a time, and very soon you won't need any. But don't be in a hurry and let your body take its time to reach here. This posture can be practiced by everyone except those who have knee injuries or knee pains. This posture helps you strengthen your back and also stretch your knees and ankles. Now when you're sitting in this posture, you are connected to the earth element, which gives you a very relaxing as well as active position at the same time. Also in this position, it's very easy to calm the mind. That's why it's recommended to practice meditation and pranayam sitting in this posture. Once you start getting used to it, you can even have your meals in this position, and I'll talk about it in some other video. Now if you practice yoga regularly, it's a good idea to start and end your practice in this posture because this creates a very positive and memorable impression on your mind. So that was Sukhasana, the posture for day 1. So please practice and share your recommendations in the comments below. Also, if you have any posture that you want to learn, please write them as well, and I would try to include it in my list for this month. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and share it and come back tomorrow for the next posture.